Hi, my name is Jan Diekmann, working in Ericsson's Enterprise Wireless Solutions business area, developing the private networks business and establishing ecosystem partnerships. Ericsson has been a leader in communications, networks and services for more than 140 years, creating a connected world where new technology transformed the way we interact and communicate. Ericsson has partnered with Rockwell Automation to jointly create compelling solutions for industrial digitalization and automation, utilizing this power of 5G. While Ericsson has been providing products and services to serve the needs of different industry verticals for a long time, the advent of 5G in combination with the huge momentum of digitalization of industries triggered a significant change in the way industries use the capabilities of cellular technology, especially 5G. Ericsson has developed its 5G private network products with manufacturing needs on top of mind, including a fully automated lifecycle and APIs application programming interfaces for interworking with existing systems in the production process. Ericsson makes introduction and operation of this technology very easy so customers can focus on their business processes. Together with Rockwell Automation and a large partner ecosystem, we are working to build ready-made solutions that use the superior capabilities of 5G and enable customers to get started with 5G right away.